My name is Aaron Zach. I am the CEO and co-owner of Sunlighten. When we started, I was originally at Procter & Gamble Pharmaceutical Division, and it was a great learning experience, but it really wasn't fulfilling for what I wanted to do. It was more focused on treatment rather than the prevention side. So I left Procter & Gamble, went to Santa Cruz, California, took over to Sunlighten. It is a vibrant company that's focused on truly making a difference in consumers' lives, and that's what we're all about today. Today is an exciting day because so many individuals are always talking about how they have low levels of EMF, but today we want to prove it. So we've brought in the experts, Vitatech, they're world-renowned experts in EMF. They're going to show inside our product for the first time ever what our EMF levels are. So what is EMF? There's two different types of frequencies. There's ones that are made by humans, and there's some that are made by just natural causes. Natural causes would be what happens on the earth with lightning storms. When your compass points to north, it's the magnetic field that creates that. Then there's others that are waves caused by humans, which is when you're pushing voltage through wires. And so our goal today is to show you that our saunas are completely safe and give a better understanding of what EMF is all about. One of the challenges we face is there's no standardization. So you can buy any device and you can get different results. Not one device is going to be equal to a different one. These devices are fun, but they're not scientific. They don't prove the true EMF levels that are in our sauna, which is why it's so important for us to bring a Vitatech in that has a standardized process, high-tech, expensive equipment that's going to give us the most precise results that you need to feel comfortable and confident with your purchase. All right, so I am going to stop talking, come out to the showroom with me so we can see how this device really works. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Right here, I have a Gauss meter. This is one of the more expensive ones. It's around $500–600. The ones that I typically see are around $50 to $75. So this should be more accurate of all the different Gauss meters that are out there. As you can see, wherever I move it, how my hand shakes, you get different readings throughout. This is exactly why we wanted to bring Vitatech in. This type of technology is helpful, but we really wanted to have the authority to tell us exactly what EMF levels were within our sauna.
Hi, I am Dustin Stevens here at the Sunlighten warehouse, where, as you can kind of see behind me, is typically our shipping and fulfillment center, but today is serving as a testing station for Vitatech Electromagnetics to do some EMF research with us. So follow me and we'll move in a little closer. So here I've got Vitatech doing more of the testing here. Looks like he's got a probe in our Solo system right now, just getting some readings that then he'll take back, work through and kind of give us a full result and what we can expect from day-to-day Solo usage. So moving down from our Solo system, we've got Vitatech looking into all of our individual componentry, mutually gaining understanding how we can improve. Down from there, we've got kind of the rest of our sauna cabins here that will go through the same testing procedure as our Solo system. Some of the numbers that we're finding today in our study with Vitatech is that our numbers are far lower than 95% of your common kind of household devices. So any time that you're spending in our saunas is going to be safer than it would be, using your hairdryer or a microwave or vacuuming your rug, whatever the scenario, we should be safer than that.
Well, we got some great news. The Vitatech results came back and the EMF levels were extremely low. Could not be more excited for our customers to know that their saunas are completely safe. Basically, the average looks like it's around 0.5 milligauss. And so a typical hair dryer could be anywhere from 50 to 500 milligauss. You could have a cell phone, which could be over 100 milligauss. Vitatech has set the industry standard as 10 milligauss or less being considered ultra low. So when we are less than 1 milligauss as far as our EMF levels, mean that it's really safe to use our product.
Being a wellness-based company that provides wellness products, for our users, we want this to be, a wellness sanctuary, a place where people can go to improve their health, through infrared. It's important for us to continue to develop that and make our products safer and safer and help our end user day to day. Bringing in Vitatech, is essential for us, not only to just prove where we're at today, but to learn from them and understand more of their process, their tools, what all this looks like from a bigger picture so that we can learn and take some of that away and then apply it to our next generation of saunas.
When we first launched Impulse, it was cutting edge. It still is cutting edge, but it was breakthrough. And when you're launching a breakthrough product, you're learning. And when we first launched, our EMF levels were higher than they are today. We realized that EMF is something that's really important to our customers. And so we've dedicated an entire R&D team to ensure that we can continually focus on lowering it. And so this success that we're sharing today didn't just happen. It happened because we care and that we've listened to the feedback of our customers. So things that we've done is changing the current from AC to DC. We twisted the wires, we changed the layout. There's so many different details that we've been able to kind of put in place to make sure we could give you the lowest EMF levels possible. So this is not only a win for Sunlighten, it's a win for all of our customers, and it's just a dedication and it's the culmination of all of the great work that we've been trying to do to bring you the safest and most effective product.